Name, Janitor 1. Age, I'm 53. Stop beating me. Occupation, sanitation engineer. It says brief, that's not brief. I'm just gonna skip all that. Oh boy. We're in a cage.
I need water. Look, wait, I can paint.
Oh my god. Where are we?
We're in Among Us. I need water.
This looks like the water machine.
Ah, is there water in it? Oh, thanks.
There was.
Fucking asshole. Oh. The fuck'd you do to me?
What? Oh.
Asshole.
I killed you. I think you're a different person now. I can't pick you up.
Yeah, hi, I'm right in front of you.
I know, but I can't pick up your dead body.
Oh darn. Oh, balls. I spilled the water. This floor is, Oh, fuck, there's water right there. Alright, this is dangerous. God, fucking... Oh, motherfucker. Fucking barrels. Out of here.
Jesus.
It's all in the way.
Oh my god, easy. You're making more of a mess.
It was in the way.
Just move it. You don't gotta throw it all around.
Yes, I do.
You're an animal.
What are you fucking giggling about? What the fuck? Stop! What the fuck? What is that? Why do you have that? Stop it.
Laser gun go brrr.
Stop it. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I dropped it.
Good. What?
Huh?
I got this out of the fucking water bucket
Oh
thing.
yeah, I've seen that can happen.
Why?
So if someone like Reap wants to go rogue, and even though we've cleaned everything up, he can make a mess.
Got it. That's dumb. I got a leg this time. What the fuck?
What?
What is wrong with you?
What?
Why is that in there?
Because it was full of stuff, so I'm burning it, so then it burns the stuff.
Take it out.
Why?
Does that burn too? Oh. Let's see.
I think you stuck the leg.
You look like you need a hand.
What do I have? What is this? I thought maybe it's a dead worker. I mean, accidents happen, but no deaths have been reported, and all staff are accounted for. As soon as the batch has been dumped, I am recommending security search of the tanks, tunnels, pipes, and everything. Yeah, you should quit while you're ahead.
Mwah.
Mwah.
What the fuck is this? I want the bone casing. I found a silly straw. It's a silly straw. Fuck! I don't want fucking body parts! Footprints!
Sounds like a you problem. I'm collecting stuff. There's still dead bodies back here.
Yeah, back there. God fucking damn it, bucket. You killed me.
Did I? What? I don't see your body.
I guess I just respawned. I threw the fucking jukebox in this fucking furnace. He ran past me with a bug and fucking just whop.
Hey, I got an achievement.
Yeah, you're welcome. Stop killing me!
I didn't do anything. I was just standing there and you're running into me.
Oh good, a fucking arm. Oh good, another arm. Swear to fucking God, if that fucking water dispenser gives me another goddamn body part. What are the chances 2 in a row? Got an arm and a leg.
You can pay with that.
Swear to fucking God. Oh good, an arm, just what I need. Oh my God. Fuck.
Take that.
Oh my God, 3 times in a row I've gotten a body part.
Man, you should go to Vegas.
Fucking Christ. I hate this game. I fucking hate this game.
Oh shit.
No, OSHA.
Don't come in here. No, go away. Mine.
Oh, thanks, I guess. Wait, what?
Oh, okay.
Unbelievable.
There was a fire.
I'm over it. No, no, I can only get body parts. I need water. Fucking kidding me. It's 5 times in a row. Can we go for 6? Oh, I finally got water. Look at that.
That might be a problem for our score.
What?
There's a hole that I can't get rid of.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah, it's stuck there forever. Oh, hey, we missed a little bit of a spot back here in this hallway. On the ceiling.
Huh. Hit it?
I think some stuff is just like forever grody, like the pipes. I was checking the ceiling for bullet holes as I go, hey.
What the fuck is this?
It just schnoz.
What the fuck does it do?
It sniffs.
Hmm.
I think it detects
I think it's a gator. It's going crazy when I point it at you.
lies.
Oh my god, it's going fucking ballistic!
Oh, it has different settings. There's two settings, I guess. I think there's a setting for dirty stuff.
I'm wondering if one is like dirty stuff and the other's organic. Oh, no, wait. This is going haywire. Jesus fucking Christ.
What? Oh,
Two
another
times
body
in a
part.
row. We go for 3? Hey, I got water.
What are you doing?
Put me down. Let me go.
Into the furnace with you, imposter.
Over here now. Can you do something with that?
What?
I threw an arm at you. It doesn't blow up in the furnace, by the way.
What?
The barrels. Never mind!
We get it, you vape.
Oops. Did you see that sick cloud? Okay. You push me.
Yeah, you really shouldn't.
You bastard!
Technically, you can.
Yes!
I don't even see it. I just hear you shout, and then I can only assume. Don't worry about cleaning up around the furnace. It's just gonna get dirty no matter what.
I'm cleaning up around the furnace. You can't stop me. Nice one.
I can't grab the button.
want to explain what happened over here?
No. Hello, my name is Olita. Oh boy.
Oh, fuck. Oh, my. That's annoying. Really?
What?
I heard that.
Oh. There's a bucket here, I guess. Bring it back.
Okay. Fucking damn it.
What have you tried to do to me?
I was testing something.
You tried to put me in the furnace?
I was trying to see, because I always died near the furnace, I was seeing if, like, maybe you were pushing me into the furnace somehow.
You're a monster.
Well, it didn't work. It was for science, so...
Your science is run amok.
Oh, fucking damn it. Down there's clean for the most part.
Did you get under the stairs?
Yeah, there's like some body parts, I think, like some intestines and shit.
Yeah, trash.
Yeah, garbage. What?
Just you. See you carry a body part off.
Why? This game is fucked.
What's going on?
Manual beeswax. Shit.
So's Valheim then.
Yeah, I'll stream for you.
Damn it!
Oh, you might want to watch his screen though. It sounds like he's having a lot more interesting time.
Yeah, Freep wants to watch me fucking kill myself.
stop the killing of other people from being found. But like,
Okay.
I don't know about you, but that looks like you're trying to get arrested on that.
I need water.
Yeah, I just tried to get
bucket up
some.
to him. Throw a bucket up to him.
There.
Thank you.
I was gonna try to put it on there. Never mind.
Fast.
Is that fast or is that all the way?
They don't know.
Let's throw it into the furnace.
Fuck.
Why throw the bucket?
I need a bucket. Thank you.
Just jump into the furnace.
He tried to put me in there when I wasn't here. I was away and he tried to...
It was a science experiment. God, it's okay for science.
Seagull, I don't know what you're trying to do right now.
I'm looking at the cleanliness.
Wasn't close enough.
His key looks to...
I'm a Ghostbuster.
We might have a problem here.
What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
What is that menu? Where's
What
that
menu?
that menu right there? What are you? What is this? What did you put in here? Is this the elevator? I don't think you could burn the elevator.
I don't think so either, we tried. You're never gonna get it out, it doesn't fit in there.
It doesn't fit there, he says.
It doesn't. He's right. Fuck in there. Don't wedge it in there. Just fucking close the door.
Closing the door smashed it through. Honestly, I'm surprised you didn't hear it. It was a fucking like normal chalkboard screech.
Ow.
I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think that'll do what you think it'll do.
Alright, well, I gotta put one more med kit and I think we're good.
There's someone to grab this one.
I figured out how the black shit is made.
Yeah. Clean
No,
it
like behind
up.
those boxes. On the floor.
We need the elevator.
What if you open the other door? Does the other door have a bigger hole? No.
The elevator's gone.
Interesting. I'm just gonna say we succeeded in burning the elevator seal.
I agree.
What do you need to get?
You know, up there.
Where? Oh, I see it. Yeah, that might be even a little. Ah! Janitorial number 2. I am age 34. I'm a janitorial intern.
Honestly, I'm surprised you didn't die from the fucking elevator being shoved on your head, but you died from Seagull landing on you.
I'd killed him like 5 times. Alright, I think we're all done.
How do we all done?
Clean up your fucking footprints.
Why'd you just pat the ground?
Don't fucking worry about it. How do we all done?
The terminal over here. Hang on. Well, there we go. Wait, what's your janitorial? What's your janitorial number?
Janitor 6.
Oh, you were 50. That explains the brittle bone syndrome.
It's not too clean over here.
So, Seagull, did you make this game?
Clean up.
No. I wish I made this game. Fucking Christ.
You want to make a sequel to this game?
I am proud of my performance and certain it will meet the approval. Please wait for fellow technicians or lead senior technician.
Did you move? Thank you. I'm
Okay.
proud of my performance, yes.
I don't care.
I don't.
Demoted.
Demoted?
Embarrassed minimum.
What? Bullshit.
Crack open a fat man.
He's ruining
I've
my
never heard
office.
this X-File theme.
Right? It's called Red Pill. I think it's hilarious.
Hey, Dustin, guess who I brought?
Damn it. Blind man discovers blackness. A blind worker discovered dark scorch marks on the walls of a station last week. How exactly he discovered them, no one knows. However, he spent 2 hours trying to convince someone to follow him and take a look at themselves.
So, scorch marks, you say?
So that's how they're created.
Scorch marks, you say, sir? We don't have a bucket.
Time to paint.
I don't know the code.
No one knows the code. This is my office and I don't know the code.
Maybe the code's on one of these papers.
How many numbers was it?
4.
5823.
Already tried that.
Did you?
Yep, I actually did. Yeah, wait, there's also one over here.
7954.
Nope.
Congratulations, Seagull has closed the door. So that's what the code did. Hey, you found a bucket.
Well. Fuck!
Congratulations, Seagull closes the door.
All right.
This song is trash!
Get to work. Use that.
This is my office, bitch.